Hey, welcome back. Today I got a 2019 Toyota Highlander front bumper. I'm gonna show you how to install the front bumper. Let's go. Alright, the reason why I installed the front bumper without the grill, it just makes it easier to go ahead and put these clips in. There's going to be a clip here, there's going to be one here, and then another one here that you got to put in. Now with this front bumper here, don't forget, they have fog lights. So what you want to do is just go right behind the fender liner right here. Just come on right behind it, just peel it back, and just go ahead and plug it in. Alright, so next you want to do is just go ahead and put the grill. I didn't put the grill on beforehand because I just wanted to put these clips into the bumper comfortably. But all you got to do is, you see these little tabs here? They go right on the line here. These they just slide right into the front bumper. Just snap it right on there like this. Give it a little tap just to make sure it goes in. Alright, as you can see, the grill is nice and snapped in. Now next thing you want to do is just go ahead and get 6 clips. You're going to put one here, 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 another one here, here, and here. Alright, now what you want to do is get behind the grill. You see this sensor right here? You want to go ahead and plug it up. Don't forget to plug it up. Just grab the cable. Go on ahead and snap. Alright, what you want to do next now, just go ahead right under the vehicle. Probably gonna have to fix the undercover. Yeah, see this right here? All the way down. Just go ahead and then just tuck it in there. All the way around. Just go down the line and just tuck it in. And do the same thing all the way down the line. Alright, once you got that all nice and tucked in, the next thing what you want to do is just go ahead right here. Just go down the line on the cover with your 10mm bolt. Just go ahead and tighten those up right there. Alright, now once you got the bumper all intact and everything put in, the last thing you got to do is just go ahead and put on your Fender Trim, which is all this right here. Once you snap that in, just go ahead and finish it off, tighten it up right here with your 10mm bolt, and then you're all set. Alright, well there you have it guys. I just showed you how to install the 2019 Highlander front bumper. If you have any questions or concerns, just go ahead and shoot the comments and I'll go ahead and reply to you guys. Until next time, thank you.